दिस सीजन वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग एवरीडे शेफ्स। मैं बात कर रही हूँ लवली मदर्स की जो सुबह उठ के बड़े प्यार से अपने बच्चों का डब्बा बनाते हैं। वेल, ऑल यू मदर्स, वेलकम टू टिफिन डिलाइट। वी आर हियर टू मेक योर मॉर्निंग्स ईजियर एंड योर किड्स happier with some exciting, delightful recipes. मैं हूँ इस वक्त at Urban Bistro at Dubai Media City और मेरे साथ है Chef Sinu, who's been kind enough to show us some exciting recipes for your kids. Chef, welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Well, it's our pleasure. तो Chef हमें बताइए आज हम क्या बना रहे हैं?
आज हम बनाएंगे quinoa frittata.
Okay, lovely.
Name sounds quite, difficult, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But then it's nothing but it's a heavier omelette made with quinoa.
Exactly.
तो उसमें हम खूब सारा वेजिटेबल डालेंगे जैसे हम ऑमलेट्स में डालते हैं. उसको मिक्स करके एक अच्छा सा very fluffy omelette बनाएंगे with a twist.
Perfect. So let's start. Tell me the ingredients.
Sure. Of course, being an omelette, we'll start with, of course, eggs.
Eggs. Okay.
फ्रिटाटा में थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा अंडे लगते हैं because as I told you it should be like a bit more fluffy and
Should
heavier.
be fluffy and it
Yes.
should be stuffed with veggies
Yes.
nicely. Right.
So it should be able to hold the vegetables what you're putting in.
That's right.
But what you have to do is आप 4 अंडे का बनाएं 5 अंडे का बनाएं लेकिन when you portion it for the kid probably you can just do only half or quarter of it.
Right, right.
With a slice of bread it will be like
And
amazing.
half maybe you can keep, have it later.
The best part of it is like आप ऑमलेट बना रहे हैं तो ऑमलेट में काफ़ी सारे वेजिटेबल्स हैं.
Right.
और इसमें हम चीज़ भी डालेंगे थोड़ा सा क्रीम भी डालेंगे तो काफ़ी हैवी होगा इसमें. इट्स लाइक फुल ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स.
That's right.
अंडे को आप जितना फेंटेंगे उतना वो लाइटर होता जाएगा बिकॉज इट्स इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग द एयर.
So it makes it more fluffier when you make it. तो हम normally भी जब ऑमलेट बना रहे हो, should we also whip it so much?
Yeah, it's that's what I'm saying. Always the more you whip it or more you it's gonna be more fluffy. So I'm just adding a bit of salt, a little pepper. जैसे बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं तो like
थोड़ा कम. So now we directly add the quinoa.
Yes, it's
in the
already
raw
cooked.
eggs.
It's
Okay.
already cooked.
So for those who want to know how quinoa is cooked, it's very simple. You just have to cook it in boiling water, like how you cook rice.
Absolutely.
And
And
you
drain the
can-
water.
Yes, and you can put a little salt while cooking it so that it flavors the quinoa
Absolutely.
already.
I've got some chopped pepper. All the
Okay.
colors, green, yellow,
Beautiful.
red. It adds on the color. I'm
And-
adding some onion. That again is optional. If your kid doesn't like onion, you can add some
skip
spring
it.
onion if you want.
Okay.
You can add some chopped tomatoes.
Okay.
Now I'll add some Pook cooking cream.
Okay.
अब ये क्रीम का क्या फ़ायदा होता है जैसे आपने कभी नोटिस किया होगा लाइक व्हेन यू मेक ऑमलेट्स इफ़ यू सर्व इट इमीडिएटली दैट्स ऑलवेज फ्लफियर सॉफ्टर सो क्रीम डालने से ये फ़ायदा होता है कि ऑमलेट स्टिल रिमेन्स मॉइस्ट.
Ah.
It doesn't go dry. It doesn't just
Interesting.
cracks.
Okay.
Now it's time to cook it. I'm adding a bit of olive oil.
Okay.
The pan is really hot, and then I'm just mixing it because it will be cooking faster. अब हल्का हल्का मिक्स कर लें so that base उसका लगेगा नहीं and it's spreading evenly. Now I'm adding some edamame on top. Edamame is nothing but जैसे सोयाबीन होता है उसी के दाने हैं ये. Okay, now I'll add some Pook mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
You just spread it evenly also. So it's more like a pizza because it's got the topping, it's got the mozzarella cheese.
Right.
So it looks very similar to a pizza. So now this goes to the oven
Okay.
because the base is already cooked, almost is cooked. Now we put the cheese on top. Now we need to cook the entire thing from the top as well and the cheese to be melted and nice caramelized feel.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Alright. Now the frittata is in the oven. Meanwhile it's cooking. हम एक बहुत ही simple और खूबसूरत सा side dish बनाएंगे.
Okay.
That will again a skewer.
Perfect. Your side dishes always excite me, chef.
Yes.
आप क्या करना है?
आपने कैप्रिस सैलड सुना होगा, ये टोमेटो बोकोचिनी सैलड सुना होगा.
Right.
It's the same thing, but I'm just trying to put in a skewer.
Okay.
So you just have one cherry tomato.
Okay.
You just
Slice
do
it.
2 skewers. The bocconcini, we call bocconcini, or it's the raw mozzarella.
Right.
The same mozzarella what you have it on the pizza, but that is matured and this is not.
So this any supermarket or hypermarket you can just get as
Yes,
it is.
yes.
And it's generally dipped in this
Yeah, it's always it comes with the liquid.
Liquid.
So we just start with the tomato on the base.
Okay, I'm going to do the other one. This is fun.
Alternate.
Okay.
And cherry tomato again,
Another tomato.
like this.
Oh.
Normally, I prefer to keep like one basil leaf also in between. But I'm sure kids normally don't like to have these leaves and all. They like the simplest thing. And now it's time to marinate it with a little bit of pesto.
Oh.
Just
So this
marinate.
will
Either
add
you
the
can-
nice flavor and
Yes. And then a bit of salt.
okay.
So let me just check whether my frittata is ready or
Okay.
no.
Wow.
Yes, now it's perfectly done.
That looks stunning.
Beautifully cooked.
So the
Very
cheese
nice
has
in colour.
melted completely.
Yes.
Very
Mind your hands,
nice.
the pan is really hot.
Okay.
Now you can cut it as
Like
you normally-
pizza.
Pizza, yes, as I said. So it's still very moist. Now again,
So I just want to show everyone the thickness of this omelette. It is actually like a thin based pizza. Next,
food is ready. Now we need a tiffin box.
dabba. Of
Dabba.
course I've come with a dabba.
And you always have it ready.
Of course, huh?
Okay, so now we'll just
There
arrange
you
it.
go.
It's always preferred if the kid is okay to have this much egg, vegetable, and then the bread.
Right.
It's always suggested to have a slice of bread
Okay.
and then the frittata. Yes.
Like a nice toasted bread on
Yes,
the side.
absolutely.
Okay.
Is it a buffet?
This is lovely. Now I want to go back to school so I can eat this. Moms, you have to have a look at this. ये डब्बा अगर school जाएगा तो it's definitely not going to come back empty. All that is going to come back is an empty dabba, a fuller stomach and a happier kid.
Absolutely.
Chef, thank you so much for showing us this lovely dish today.